Welcome to this video about Chat GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh great, another boring video about Chat GPT. But fear not, as I'm going to spice things up a bit. If you're not familiar with Chat GPT, it's a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. In other words, it's like a robot trying to act like a human, except it's way smarter than most humans. But seriously, Chat GPT works by analyzing a large dataset of human language and learning the patterns and structures that make up our communication. Once it's been trained on this dataset, Chat GPT can generate text that sounds like it was written by a human. It's like having your own personal AI writer, except it doesn't complain about deadlines or ask for coffee breaks. So, what can you use Chat GPT for? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to generate responses to customer inquiries, create personalized content for social media, or even write scripts for video games or movies. Imagine never having to come up with a clever tweet again. Chat GPT has got you covered. But Chat GPT isn't just for businesses and organizations. You can use it to spice up your personal life too. Need a witty comeback for that snarky comment your friend made? Just ask Chat GPT and boom, you got a killer response. Or maybe you're struggling to come up with the perfect pickup line for that cute person you saw at the coffee shop. Chat GPT to the rescue. Just don't blame us if it doesn't work out. But here's where things get interesting. GPT can also be used to create chatbots. That's right, you can now have a robot as your friend or even your romantic partner. Now, I know what you're thinking, but won't a chatbot just spout out pre-programmed responses and not really understand what I'm saying? Well, that's where the generative part comes in. GPT can actually generate responses based on the context of the conversation, making it seem like it's really understanding what you're saying. But here's the catch. GPT chatbots are still just robots, and they don't have feelings or emotions. So if you're looking for a deep and meaningful conversation, you might want to stick with a real human. But if you're looking for some light-hearted fun or just want to mess with your friends by pretending to be a robot, then a GPT chatbot might be right up your alley. Just don't expect it to understand your jokes or care about your problems. So, there you have it. Chat GPT can be used for a variety of applications, from customer service to content creation to personal use. And remember, this video script was also generated by Chat GPT, so if it's a little too good to be true, that's probably why. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech talk and awkward hosting.